So what did we do with our Play-Doh? We made
animals
in the ocean, friends. Yes, we made the ocean. Lots of sea colors in here. Greens and blues.
That's not the ocean.
That's not the ocean. What is it?
It's the ocean.
Okay. So we can put our creatures in here.
I found a frog.
And then we can also use our other friends, and we can use this as land, right?
I found something.
We can use our jungle friends, our safari friends. Look, Zion. Look. May I have the water, please? Look. Look in the pail. Look. What's in there? You want to play? You want to play? Did you find the starfish?
Yeah.
Don't put water. No water in there.
We're going to have to learn about these. No, we want to make a real ocean.
You want to make it. But look at this is blue.
That's
the ocean.
Mine. That came with the other bin.
Okay. You guys having fun?
Yes.
Look, Zion. Look, what's in there?
Mom, can we make an ocean with this?
No water in it because it'll mess up the Play-Doh.
We want to take
If you want, take the Legos out of the other blue one, and you can put some water in it. Can you do that? Take out of the other blue bin, and then you can put water in it.
And we want to take the ocean
And we'll put the ocean out, the ocean animals out, and we'll put the other ones inside.
I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna take these out.
He wants to put the ocean animals in actual water, which is fine.
I want to pickle out of the pickle jar.
You want to pickle in a few minutes.
I'm gonna pickle.
Okay. Leah, don't mix them up. Go into the bathroom and put put some water in it.
Right there.
No, I'm talking to Tariq. Put some water in the bathroom.
I'm getting one of these on my hand. Can I put the
He wants to put the starfish in the water. You can put it in there, but that's what he wants. Listen to me. Take that blue.
In one of these bowls.
What?
In one of these bowls.
Put what in one of those bowls?
The water.
Put it in there because that makes the ocean. The blue bin. The blue bin. Go in the bathroom and put some water in it. Ooh, so. It's that kind of day today. This kid is behind me dumping water into a dump truck. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
So you've emptied the water bottle?
Yeah, how much these up?
Okay. You have a lady pup. Do you have enough?
They don't go with it.
Hold it with 2 hands.
Thank you.
Okay, let's make some room for our other sensory
I'm gonna put
bin.
there. Mom, I did.
You did? Okay, bring it right here to the table. So now we have 2 sensory bins today.
Why'd you put those on?
I don't know why. Yes, put the ocean friends in the ocean.
They live
We
in the
want a
ocean.
liquid ocean this time, right? Not a solid ocean.
Mom, elephants don't go in there.
No.
Where'd they go? Mom
Okay.
said elephants don't go in
Put
there.
the ocean friends in the ocean. Uh-oh, one fell. Which one fell, Layla? Look beside you down on the floor.
Shark!
Shark.
Shark.
You know, we didn't sing our song this morning. Want to sing our good morning song?
Yeah. Don't put those in there.
Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good.
Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good.
We're here to
and play.
Work and play. It's time to start our day. Good morning, homeschool friends. How are you?
We're good. I'm gonna put it. Yay!
Yay! Are you having fun, Zion? It's so dark in here. That light is off. It's cloudy today. I'm trying to get as much as light as I can, but
Giraffes don't live in
it's so
water.
cloudy.
Mom, it's okay, giraffes. Mom, I want to put the giraffes in here because they're tigers. Mom, it's cold. Mom, can we not? Don't put those. Mom, can we not put these in there?
No, just put the...
Mom, Layla, Mom said don't. Mom, do these have tails?
They do. They have fans.
So I can put it in there.
They have fans
Fans? What's fans?
on their tails.
Are these orcas?
Are those orcas? Those are walruses.
Why do they have these things?
Well, you know what? We have to get our book and learn why they have those long teeth. Hi, Zai. Zion.
Mom,
Look up.
Leah, Mom said don't put those in there.
Zion.
Mom, I can't play. You can play. Aaliyah said Zai can't play. What we can put in? I want to put it. Aaliyah, these don't go. Where is it?
Before I forget to take pictures.
Mom, can I put this in there?
A dinosaur?
Mom, don't put these in
That
there.
looks like an armadillo.
Mom, don't put those in there.
No.
Mom said don't put those in there.
But you know you could put it in the water and pretend it's rain. Not a bad idea.
We don't want it to be rain.
You don't want it to be rain?
I need to this. Okay. Oh, can I put the zebras in there? Mom, I don't want to live messing it up.
Okay,
Mom,
will
can
we
I
take
put the
turns
zebras in
or do we
there?
need to put our activity away?
Aaliyah, put the zebras in there.
Okay, for a few minutes. You think they need water?
Aaliyah,
Because
I miss
we'll
them.
find it.
They like to sleep in water.
You think so?
Mom, they like to drink water. Put it.
Put the animals. Put some animals in the other bin.
Hi, Mom.
What happened to our animals in here in our solids bin?
Mom, this is the baby one.
Okay, Aaliyah, hold on. Look, let's put some animals in here.
Yeah.
Let's put some animals in our solids bin. Let's put some in here. How about some tigers? Can we? This is the jungle. Is this the jungle?
Yeah. A monkey.
The monkey. Put the monkey in the jungle.
Mom, where is
this? Is that a wolf?
No, that's
Like they're in
cat. Where's cat?
they're in Madagascar. Put some friends in there.
I said don't put those in there.
Here, let's put the lion in.
I don't. Cause I know.
It's okay too.
What was laying in my clothes? Yes. Ow! Ow!
You want to take a little time out, or are they getting a little rowdy?
Can I go get that blue bin?
That is the blue bin.
No, I want to go get that small bin that's like that.
Go ahead.
I want to go get the crocodiles. Son, you're getting too out of there.
Be careful.
Use some dip. Mommy, I got it. Don't call her mommy. Mom, the crocodiles can live in there too.
The crocodiles can live in there too. we are working out the kinks, and they are getting along, and Miss Zion is pouring water into our solids. No, Zion, not in the solids, okay? But
Rubbish frog!
yes. Uh-oh, look at there. It rained.
What, Mom?
Look at, they're in the rain now.
Mom, I'm going to take my shirt.
Take your shirt
I
off.
should have rain. It's wet. Where? Where the rubber? The rubber frog can
Put it right
swim. Orca. I'll put the orca on there. Oh yeah.
So look at there. Zai put a little bit of water in the Play-Doh.
Lily, guess what the
Yes.
Guess what the
That's a
rubber
camel.
frog can do? Lily, you're Mom, no, we can put that in there.
Okay, she just wanted to put it in there.
Put him in there.
You know what? There's another bucket back there, Layla. Another. Tariq.
Lily, guess what the rubber frog can do? It can swim.
Tariq. Go look in the schoolroom in the closet and get the other bin. There's another one.
Can I dump the water in there?
You can put some water in there.
Mom, this can jump. We want to make 2 oceans for those animals, and that one can be the ocean.
Okay,
Mom,
go get the other bin.
Mom, can we keep them cool?
Hmm.
Can we keep them cool down? And
Okay.
green. And the green one.
The green one. Okay, put some water in there.
Okay. Woo. Mom, look.
Yes,
They're friends. Can it be green?
you can.
I can. Mom.
Tariq is making another sensory bin for you guys.
Oh. Tariq,
Are you having fun, Zion?
we're having fun.
Oh, look at there. Our water has turned real ocean colors.
We found all the crocodiles.
It's actually 1 o'clock. Nobody's hungry because they're busy.
Mom, the crocodiles live in here. Mom, we can make it. I can't see it. We can make it green. I want to put fish. Oh yeah, here. Here's a beach for them. A beach. Oh yeah. Put the ocean animals in there. Why don't make the water green?
That was Zion. Okay, how many buckets do it? Okay, that's enough. It's. Oh, you wanted to add some more water.
It's cool. The animals are cool. No, the animals are under
Look right
the
here,
water.
Tariq. Pick up. I think that's a walrus down there.
Mom, I put the animal. I can't see the rubbish frog. The animal that's swimming under the water. Where's the orca? Hey, it's in the water. I can see it. I got it. Something's in there. Oh wait, the orca was swimming. A turtle. That's swimming. Oh, orca. I see.
Zion, are you just getting excited? It's okay. Looks like a hammerhead shark.
Mom, can we put these in there? Oh yeah. We need to put all these because we need to make more water since this one since water in that. Mom, can we keep these animals cold? I feel something under the water. I feel something. I don't feel something. I don't feel something either. I feel this will be the green ocean. So we can go in the green.
Watch the animals. Up. Pick them up. Look how strong you are.
That's okay. Mom,
Pick them up.
Look, I made a new ocean.
Help her pick them up, Layla. Good job. Thank you.
I'm getting my clothes wet again.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
That's what having fun is. You get wet, you get messy.
We still can't see them.
Well, that's what happens in some oceans sometimes. The water is not so clear once they go underneath. You want to go empty that?
Yeah. It's green.
Here, why don't you... Which bucket do you want to use? The blue one or the green one?
The blue one.
Okay, well, go fill it up. Leave this bucket and just go fill up the other one. Or that bin. And then we'll move... I'll take this one out of the way.
Whoa. I can't see the stingray. No.
Hi, Huggable.
Hi, Huggable.
Zion's shirt says Huggable.
Huggable.
Hi, Huggable. I'm Huggable. Zion, what you doing?
I saw something. Oh, yeah. I'm putting all that out.
Be nice. Tarika's going to get some more water, so don't put all of them in there yet. We're getting ready to switch. Okay, he went to fill up the blue ocean. No splashing.
It looks like
all right. Here.
Wash my rubber. Put the piano in there. A new.
No, because it'll turn the water green. That's what happened before. You guys put Play-Doh in it. Just set it on the floor because there's too much on it. Here, Layla, get the blue top.
Why you?
That way.
Why you put a ladybug in there, an ocean, and an animal?
It's okay.
It's not okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I want the ocean. Ah, the ocean.
So how does it feel now with water in it? Does it feel the same? Is it mushy?
Nasty.
Nasty? Not so much of a solid?
Mom, can I wash my hands?
Yes, you can wash your hands. So I think right now...
It's mushy. I'm great, Layla.
It's okay, Tariq. She's trying to wash her hands out.
I know.
My intention was to do this in the schoolroom with the bigger table, but...
This is growing.
Okay.
Wash my hands in here.
Okay.
Growing.
Now that I see what's going on, I'm glad I kept it in here. You know, they are working on the space issue. Alright guys, we're getting kind of long in this video. Leah, there's an octopus down there on the floor or something. Oh, there's a couple of them. Pick those up.
That's an octopus.
Alright, what do we say?
Thank you. Thumbs up in the sky. Thumbs up in the sky. Subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Thumbs up and subscribe.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Is this fun?
Yes.
Alright.
We want to stay.
Say bye-bye, homeschool friends.
Bye-bye.